What feeds force? 15 million years hold the answer. In the vast blue, a piece of land rises, bathed in sunlight. It throws its glare, toughens your skin, lays waste to everything in its path, an implacable rival, even for the most seasoned shoulders. Some forces are invisible, natural judges, sovereign, capable of defying gravity and moving mountains of sand. Plant your heels firmly. Give it no further advantage. The wind sculpts stone with greater resolve than metal. The wave strikes. Where lava meets the shore, it seethes. It stings the eyes. Hold your grip. The current knows no fatigue. Hands on fire. The mark of victories and defeats. Balance, respect, evolution. Every force finds its measure in the resistance of another. Only then does it reveal its true form.